GESE Level 4 Lesson 2 Hobbies by Grateful Vidura College. Children, let's get on with our today's speech lesson, which is hobbies and sports. Now, to some of you, this topic may seem very basic, but learning to introduce your hobbies properly is extremely important. You might need to introduce your free time activities without any sign. So, you need to be organized. You may need to introduce your hobbies in your English class or in a conversation, or you may need to introduce your hobbies at the school assembly. By end of this lesson, you will be able to speak clearly about your hobbies in English. Okay, children, let's start with the basic question. The very first that you'll need to say when talking about your hobbies is, what do you like doing in your free time? Children, do you have any interesting hobbies? Let's move on to free time and hobbies vocabulary. Children, what words do you know for hobbies in English? Yes, I know some children select things you can do at home, such as reading books, watching TV, or playing an instrument like organ, guitar. Other children like sports, like playing cricket, playing football, playing badminton, going swimming. And also, many children prefer more social activities. For example, hanging out with your family or going shopping. Or perhaps you would like to do something more creative. For example, I could say painting, drawing, writing poems, or stitching. Okay, my dear children, what about you? What kind of free time activities do you prefer? Let's go through how you can talk about your hobbies which you like. If someone asks, what do you like doing? So, here, what could you say as a response? You could say, in my free time, I like playing badminton. Or, in my free time, I like watching TV. Or, in my free time, I like reading storybooks. Children, can you see a layout here? Yes, of course. In every sentence, after like, I used a verb plus ing. Now, can you make a sentence? What do you like doing in your free time? Exactly. You could say, in my free time, I like hanging out with my family. Or, in my free time, I like listening to music. But just using like can be uninteresting and boring. So, what are the verbs can we use instead of like? Children, we can use love or enjoy. For example, I could say, I love going swimming, or I enjoy watching TV, or I could say, I love reading storybooks. Can you see the same pattern here? After all of these verbs, we need to use verb with ing. Let's see further explanation of how you can add more details to your thoughts. Foremost, let's talk how often you do your free time activity. For example, I could say, I like playing cricket. I play cricket every Monday evening. But I can't say I play every Monday evening cricket. Next one. I enjoy watching TV every day. I can't say I enjoy every day watching TV. Children, let me know how often do you do your hobbies. So children, you can use these phrases to help you to talk regarding your free time activity. First one, every. For example, we could say every Saturday, every weekend, or every afternoon, every Friday afternoon, or every day. For example, I could say I go to the park every day. Children, here the words every Saturday, every weekend, every afternoon, and every day are the phrases which used to describe how often I do hobbies. Children, next one, once or twice. For example, we could say once a week, once a month, or twice a week, and so on. For example, I could say I play table tennis twice a week. Here the words once a week, once a month, and twice a week are the phrases which used to describe how often I do my hobbies. Next, let's add some details about where you do your hobby or free time activity. For example, let's say I like playing cricket. I play cricket every Monday evening at the school playground near my house. Second one, I like reading books in the public library, but I don't get the chance to do it often. Children, now you can see our answers are getting more detailed. When you speak, you should always try to add some details to your ideas, like we studied. It will make your English sound more appealing. Finally, let's look at how you can add some descriptive words to tell why you like something. To show you what I mean, I could say, I like cycling. It's really exciting. Next one, I like drawing pictures. It's creative. The last one, I like playing my organ. It's fun. Children, here are the words exciting, creative, and fun are the words which used to describe why I like about hobbies. Children, let's use the conjunction but to present contrasting views. Read these sentences. I like playing cricket. I don't like standing under the hot sun for long hours. These two sentences are related to each other with opposite ideas. So, we can join these two sentences using the conjunction but. I like playing cricket, but I don't like standing under the hot sun for long hours. Let's take another example. I like drawing landscapes. I don't like drawing posters. I think it's boring. Here also, we can join these two sentences using the conjunction but because the last two sentences are related to each other with opposite ideas. I like drawing landscapes, but I don't like drawing posters. I think it's boring. Children, conjunctions make English easier by simply joining sentences. Okay, children, at last, let's try using everything we've looked at to make a lengthier answer. For example, I like playing badminton. I play badminton every weekend at the park near my house. Sometimes I play with my sister or sometimes with my mother. Okay, let's do one more sample answer. I love drawing pictures. Once or twice a month, I go to different areas of the city and look for interesting scenery to draw. I like this. It's creative. Anyone can draw a picture, but you need to use your imagination to end up with a good art. Okay, children. Well, that is from me on this speech lesson on hobbies. Now, it is your turn to speak. Pause the video. Now you talk about your free time. Try to make some sentences on what do you like doing, where do you go, and how often. When did you start doing this hobby? And why do you like this activity? Say them out loud. Practice a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Have an awesome day. Goodbye.